Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. What's the main difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin spot ETF? To clarify it, the second thing I would like to talk about is there are a lot of AI created deep fake crypto scams videos on the internet. For example, with Michael Saylor and some other famous people who you would trust. But these are traps, and get into it a little bit more to really filter what is real and what is not. Because in crypto, the border is very shaky sometimes. Okay, and the third thing, it's all about that Solana. It looks like will come out with the second phone after the success of Saga. So let's talk about that as well. Guys, all this in today's video. So every single day, I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom, the freshest news you get. So with Blockchain Bloom, you stay up to date. If that's important for you, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Okay, and how the prices looks like that for start. Okay, Bitcoin is up 1% in the last 24 hours for the 3,041 US dollars. So holding itself pretty well. Ethereum up tiny little bit. The price is $2,540. When we're looking at the top gainer, Chile is 21% up, Blur 20% up, Flare 17%, and many altcoins started to go up. When we're looking at the top loser, Ethereum name service, because it went down recently pretty well. Here is now a correction. Same for Sui. Now it's a little correction. Aptos also a little correction, 966% down. In the top 100, these are the top 3 losers, if we can say that. Right, when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, okay, I move this one so you can see it better. You can see that we still are in this channel, and when we're looking at the RSI, we still have this bearish divergence. However, now it looks like that this trend line held Bitcoin and also this support level. And yeah, so far so good, holding itself, and therefore we can see altcoins move, because always when Bitcoin takes a break, not falling, but levels, and then takes a break, altcoins getting hotter and hotter. Now this is what we can see, and maybe this is what we could see in the next couple of days as well, but we're going to see it. Anyway, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic that many of you have asked me, that what is the real difference between Bitcoin spot ETF and the real Bitcoin? So let's talk about that now. Right, so we have Bitcoin here since 2009, but Bitcoin spot ETF, it's a brand new thing. The SEC just approved it in the United States. Obviously, SEC in the United States last week on the 10th of January, and the trading of it has started a day later on the 11th of January. So now let's compare these two. So anyway, with ETFs, investors can buy a product that tracks the price of an associated commodity or security through a same mechanism already in place for index funds. So what they have done before, they just do the same, and it's available for them. Bitcoin ETFs simply simplify things for investors, as they can manage their holdings without maintaining a crypto wallet or arranging cold storage, register on cryptocurrency exchanges, and so on and so forth. So Bitcoin ETFs provide registered investment advisors, retirement funds, and other institutions with access to Bitcoin. Entities and regular people restricted from accessing this asset class or who had reservations about investing in digital assets can now hold Bitcoin. So basically, for some people, it wasn't that easy to get their hands on Bitcoin, or maybe they were just kind of scared and they wanted to do the traditional way, put it this way, when it comes to investment, and through a brokerage firm and so on and so forth. So basically, it opens a bit more the gate, and more people would invest into Bitcoin, even if it's not directly in Bitcoin, but it's a Bitcoin spot ETF, which tracks the price of Bitcoin. Here, actually, you can see when we look at accessibility, then when it comes to the ETF, brokerage account access is needed. When we're looking at the normal Bitcoin, the real Bitcoin, then you need a cryptocurrency exchange account, and then you can do it for yourself. When we're looking at the regulatory oversight, then we have SEC has regulated the ETFs in the United States. Limited regulatory framework goes for Bitcoin. Then I don't want to go through all of them, but important ones. Liquidity, you can trade ETF in market trading hours. On the other hand, you can trade Bitcoin 24/7. Management structure, professionally managed ETF and self-managed is basically Bitcoin. Here you have those who got the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. Here is the long list. There are 11 of them, so you can buy now Bitcoin spot ETF from them. And very important to highlight that if you would like to invest in Bitcoin, you have decided that you go for this asset class because you have big hopes it's going to go up, then I would say go for real Bitcoin. And the reason is simple. One of the main things of Bitcoin is that it is decentralized. And if you buy Bitcoin, like a Bitcoin spot ETF from a centralized firm, then you don't use one of the big advantages of Bitcoin in a way that actually you can buy it for yourself. You can sell it or buy it anytime. It's 24/7. The cryptocurrency market is always open. And you can store it for yourself. And don't forget, if it's not your private key, not your Bitcoin. ETF, it's an opportunity for those who couldn't do it or didn't want to do it. And therefore now they say, okay, with the ETF provider, just like BlackRock or Fidelity or some others, I would want to trust them. And then I don't have to worry about cold storage, store my Bitcoin, remember the recovery phrase, and all these kind of things. It's simple. I have my other ETFs as well, you name them, and I just buy Bitcoin as well in my portfolio through an ETF, and simple as that. Okay, so it's your decision, but definitely the best when we're talking about Bitcoin, it's own real Bitcoin itself. That's my personal opinion, but you decide how you would like to do it if you invest in Bitcoin, which is also not mandatory. Right. The second thing that I would like to talk about, I would like to draw the attention to these AI-powered deepfake crypto scams, because when the new bull market is coming, scams, oh man, they're going to be just so many, and they will trick so many newcomers. That's crazy. So let's talk about that. I feel already sorry for many people who think crypto is an easy investment. They just jump in when the new bull market will be extremely hot. Altcoin season is here, Bitcoin all-time high. And then obviously what's happening, they losing their money because they fell in traps, in a lot of scams are in crypto. And one of the typical one is these kind of video scams which are made by AI, these kind of deep fake crypto videos. And then you usually have a person, it's usually a live thing, and then you're watching it YouTube, for example, and have a person who you might trust. It could be a well-known person like Michael Saylor, who is a real Bitcoin bull, or you have Elon Musk, and so on and so forth. And because it's created by AI, it looks like and almost sounds like, if you don't pay attention, that the real person itself. And that person who you see on screen is actually telling you that if you send me Bitcoin, now it's just for a short period of time, but if you send me now Bitcoin, I send the double amount back. I can do it because I have a lot of Bitcoin. For example, if it comes to Michael Saylor, because I'm rich, I want to give back to people, and so on and so forth. And of course, the newcomers think, oh, it's Michael Saylor. He's saying that now. This is my lucky day. Now I just send my Bitcoin and double it. It's not that easy to double your Bitcoin. Nobody gives that amount of Bitcoin away. And Michael Saylor also said here in this article that actually the team is, for somebody taking down a lot of videos, like takes down about 80 fake AI generated YouTube videos every day. But the scammers keep launching more. So it's impossible. It's the same when it comes to you know, these fake comments. Also under my videos, you can see these fake comments, WhatsApp things, and they want to just trick you or shilling, you know, scam projects, altcoins, which are like really, really bad. Just don't fall into. We cannot really control it, unfortunately. So this is one of the risk factors of AI, but also people think that there are things in crypto which are unbelievable and it's not happening in normal life. Therefore, they have heard that someone bought like you know, that kind of altcoin and became a millionaire. Well, maybe this is my lucky day to buy this one on time. We're actually getting the double amount back, and I'm also a millionaire after that because it's crypto. It's possible. No, it's not. So please be aware of it, what you do. And, you know, scams and all these things, it will just flood the market when it's going to be like Bitcoin all-time high times and all these. But we already can see them. And a lot of people going to lose their money because of it. So don't be that person, okay? Educate yourself. Learn how crypto is working, how to buy crypto, how to store crypto securely, how to protect your crypto securely. You have to learn all these kind of things first and then invest. Otherwise, it's probably a great chance that you can lose it, okay? Just be aware of it. Okay, and third thing I wanted to mention, maybe the new Solana phone will come soon. Well, the first Solana phone became, you know, very successful. And actually it's not because of the phone itself, which is also some kind of new thing, but actually it was successful because the meme coin, what you have received with the purchase of the phone, became more valuable, that amount what you have received, than the phone itself. Therefore, people started to buy it because they got the free, you know, bonk airdrop, and they made the money out of it. And basically the phone was just kind of bonus. So, Solana Mobile plans to launch a second smartphone as it looks to ride the unlikely success of the first crypto-ready smartphone. So the upcoming phone will have same basic features as the one before, called Saga, and on the board, crypto wallet, custom Android software, and dApp store for crypto applications, but at a cheaper price point and with different hardware. The previous one was around $1,000. So crypto traders realized, as I just said, you know, there's the bond kind of thing, and that's why they bought it. So will they give something with the second phone, another airdrop? Or we don't know yet. These are just rumors that maybe the new Solana phone is coming. So just watch out. Maybe something good is coming with it. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. I keep you up to date. If you like blockchain, you like crypto, you get here the freshest news. Every day I'm making these longer videos, short videos. Yeah, basically, the only thing you have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then you won't miss a single video because then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Then, if you like this kind of content, it's useful for you, then hit the like button, highly appreciated, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.